Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about sets. Okay, as I have told that dictionaries are mutable dictionaries are mutable container type that stores object in a format of key value pair. Okay, so just like list and tuples have a relation, so sets and dictionaries have a relation. Okay, so sets also poses the same features as like of dictionaries. Set is a collection type, contains an unordered collection of unique and immutable objects. Now, careful about that. I am saying immutable objects. Set is a collection type, contains an unordered collection of unique and immutable objects. Immutable means you cannot alter it, you cannot delete an element from your set. Okay, so it is immutable. You can only add, you cannot modify. You can only add, you cannot modify, you cannot delete it. Okay, you cannot delete elements from your set. Okay, you cannot alter it, you cannot modify elements in your set. Okay, so this is the definition of set. So we have set method to create a create an empty set. So if I use curly braces, so that will denote a dictionary. Okay, so differentiated with set, we have set method. Okay, so this is a dictionary, empty dictionary. But if I want to create an empty set, we have set method. Okay, so this set method actually uh, needs one parameter, that is a list. Okay, you can create your empty set, that is the syntax of empty set. But if you want to create a set with some element, then you can specify a simple list, then it will create a set with those elements. Okay, so just like our mathematics, that set and this set all have the same concept. It will have the features of union, intersection. Okay, um, set difference, subset, superset, all things. Okay, so all the function all the different functions which are available in all the basic functions which are available in list and tuples, followed all are also followed here. Okay, just like length, you can use len to denote the size of or length of your set. Okay, suppose I have written this set a. Okay, and I have passed 1 comma 2. Now I am printing print a. Let's print it. So this is a set which contains these elements 1 comma 2. Okay, so this is a set, but it is representing like a dictionary. Okay, but it is actually a set, so that's why I have not write curly braces. Okay, because that actually denotes a dictionary. Okay, so I have created a simple set. Now I want to add element in my set. Okay, so first of all I will add a single element. For that we have another one command. If I want to add multiple elements, for that we have another command or another statement. Okay, so I want to add a simple one element. Okay, for that I have, oh sorry, I have add command. Okay, if I want to add element, for that I have add statement. Okay, I want to add new element 3. Okay, let's print a. Okay, let's print it. As you can see, 3 is added in my set. Okay, now I want to update it with, now I want to add more elements, more than one elements. Now I will use update method. Okay, update statement, it will update it. Update will also follow a update will also contain means it will also it requires a list or sequence of elements. Okay, so I will specify a list. Suppose I have given 3 comma 4, so I am updating my original set with uh, more than one element. Okay, so that's why I'm using update statement. Now I execute it. As you can see, 2 more elements has been added to my set. Okay, so this is with the set. Okay, suppose if I want to check whether some element has been present in my set or not. So for that I can also use membership operator in. If if condition, if then your substring or your sub element, then use membership operator in, and your set name. Okay, so that is the case how you can use your mm, how you can use your uh, how we can use how whether element is present in a set or not. Okay, suppose if I want to remove some literal, okay, which I have added, means a value to my value in, if I want to delete a value from my set, so I can use remove. Okay, actually, don't confuse with the concept that it is still immutable. Immutable means actually we cannot alter it, we cannot delete element from middle, like things that are considered to be immutable means we cannot alter it. Removing or adding element from last is a normal thing. Okay, that is provided by or that is provided by all these containers. Okay, suppose for that I use a dot remove. Now what literal I want to remove. Okay, so I want to remove 2 from my set, so I will print a, as you can see now 2 has been removed from my set and only 1 is left in my set. So for that we will use remove method or remove statement. If you want to know the length of your set, then you can use length statement, len. Okay, so that will denote your, which is length of your set, which is 2. Okay, now let's move to some mathematical operations of set. Suppose this is my first set. Okay, it has 1 2 3 element. Okay, now I have another set b which has element set 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, now I want to perform some actions. Suppose I want to print those elements which are or which comes in the intersection of a and b. For that we have statement called intersection. Okay, let's print a dot intersection, and this is the a dot intersection method is used, and inside parenthesis you have to specify the set 2. So a is my set 1 and b is my set 2. So this means a dot intersection b means a intersection b means set 1 intersection set 2. What is the common between set 1 and set 2? So nothing is common between uh, set 1 and set 2, that's why it is showing an empty. But suppose if I have created 2 in set 2, now execute it, now it will show 2. Why it is showing 2? Because 2 is the common element or the intersecting element or the common element between two sets. Okay, so it is, if we will draw Venn diagram, so that will be one set, that will be one set, the common intersection between two set is the intersection. Okay, similarly union, if you want union, so for that we have union statement or union function. So a dot union b means a union b, set 1 union set 2, execute it, so it will make a union of all the sets 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, okay, then we have set difference. So if it is more clear with the Venn diagram. Okay, set difference, then we have set subset, then we have superset. Okay, so there are different things available in our there are different functions available in set. Okay, suppose if you want to clear all the elements in your set, then you can use clear method. Okay, only a dot set, a dot clear. Okay, we will not okay, so this is the syntax. It means it will clear all the elements inside your set 1 or set a. It will clear your set. Okay, it will, now it will make an empty set. So now after executing this